In this video, we are going to discuss about the World Wide Web. In the previous video, we discussed how ARPANET was the first network. From ARPANET, we had an internet, the network of networks. Then we had the first commercial network that was called Telenet. From Telenet, we have now come to the World Wide Web, which is a complex web of web pages connected all over the world. So let's see how the World Wide Web came about. World Wide Web was developed in the early 1980s by Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee was a computer scientist who led a team of other computer scientists to develop the World Wide Web at CERN in Switzerland. World Wide Web, as defined by Lee, means it is a web of complex web pages linked together by hypertext. What is a hypertext? Any piece of text on a page that links to another web page is called a hypertext. Now, evolution from ARPANET to www. It was possible due to contribution of many organizations, many scientists. Let's give an overview to how these contributions came about. Here is a table to just help you. As we have already discussed, it started with DoD, ARPANET. 1957, it was established. Then 1969, the ARPANET became functional. Then 1970, the company BBN joined ARPANET. Then in 1972, Roy Tomlinson developed email, which was a major breakthrough. It still is the most important means of communication over computer networks. Then in 1974, the term internet was first coined. 1982, a protocol called TCP/IP was introduced, which still forms the backbone of how we communicate over the internet. The term protocol we will be discussing in our next video. 1983, domain name system was introduced, which again we will be covering later in this module. 1986, NSF-NET, National Science Foundation of United States of America. It started bringing people together, teaching them about science. 1990, ARPANET was decommissioned. Finally, starting from 1960 to 1990, over a period of 30 years, ARPANET lost its importance because of the development that it had started itself. So finally in 1990, it was decommissioned. It was just shut down. And 2002 to 2004, finally Web 2.0 was born. Web 2.0 is another concept which we will be discussing later in this module. In this video, we have learned how World Wide Web came into existence. In our next video, we will be discussing first some of the terminologies that we use while talking about computer networks.